Hi, in today's session, let us learn basic commands that we can use it for Kafka. Let us use the command line interface CLI to execute those commands. I hope you are already familiar on how to set up Kafka in Windows environment, and I will be using Windows environment in order to demo these commands. In case if you have not done the Kafka setup in your Windows desktop or laptop, please follow my previous video and the link is provided in the comment section. In today's session, let us create a topic using CLI and post the messages there. That is, let us create a topic and a producer can post a message in the topic. Let us have a consumer and access those messages in the topic. So, we are going to cover these following six commands. We are going to start the zookeeper that is necessary for Kafka server, and the second one is we will be using CLI to start the Kafka server. Third one, we will create a topic. Fourth one, we will list the topics available in the Kafka server, including the old topics whatever created, and then let us write some messages it into the topic, and then let us read the messages from a particular topic. I will be demoing both writing as well as reading the topic in parallel. That is having two separate screens. Thereby you can post a message and simultaneously you can see the messages that is read in the consumer side. Now let us get into the business. Now the first step is you should have to understand the server configuration. I'm opening the server configuration file and let me go down and see what is the port number that I am using it. Here I am using 9092 as port number. The next thing what I am going to do is I am going to open a command prompt and I have my Kafka in D drive. So I'm moving it into the D drive and the Kafka directory and then starting the zookeeper. So the command used for running the zookeeper is zookeeper server start.bat, and then I need to provide the configuration file. So if I provide the configuration file like zookeeper.properties, the zookeeper kickstarts. Don't worry about all those commands or the messages. The next thing is I will be starting up the Kafka server. I opened another command prompt and then going into the directory where I installed the Kafka, and then I'm executing another CLI command that is bin/windows whereupon I have all the batch files. So I'm going to execute Kafka server start bat with a configuration file server.properties slash server dot properties. Okay. So when I execute it, it uses a zookeeper and then it kickstarted the Kafka server. So let me create a topic. Again, I open another window, go to Kafka directory. I'm going to execute a command that is bin/windows, and here I'm using a command called Kafka-topics.bat that is used for creating the topic. I'm going to use the flag called slash hyphen create that is used to create the topic, and I need to provide the topic name. I'm choosing the topic name as topic hyphen example XYZ. Now I need to provide the local host and the the port number using the another flag called bootstrap server. I need to specify the local host colon 9092. That is what we have found in the server.properties. You can change the port name, port number therein. So this will create a topic with a topic hyphen example XYZ. Now let us list all the topics which are already created and available as part of the Kafka server. That's what configured in my machine. So I'm using the same command. I'm going to list hyphen list, that is used for listing all the topics. Now I need to use a bootstrap server which uses localhost colon 9092 port, and this will list down all the topics available as part of the Kafka configuration that's configured in my laptop. If you look here, topic example XYZ, it is listed there as a fourth item. You can see the other topics which are all created by me. Example 1, example 2, test 01. So this is how we can list available Kafka topics. And the next step, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create, yeah, I'm going to post a message it into the topic example XYZ. So I am going to continue to use the same window. So I'm going to post a message, and so it is going to be a producer. Producer is going to post the message it into the Kafka topic by name, topic hyphen example XYZ. This is a topic that I will be using it. So hyphen topic hyphen example XYZ, and then I should have to use a regular command, that is bootstrap server localhost 9092. Now this command ensures that I'm ready for posting the message. It brings up a new prompt. I'm posting the first message as first line, next is second line, and then some message, something like a next, next is next message, and then I'm stopping it here. Now let me work on another command prompt, and then go to my D directory, Kafka, where I'm going to bring up the consumer. So it is slash bin slash windows slash. So I want to read the messages from the newly created topic. So it's going to be Kafka console consumer. So I need to specify the topic name from where I should have to pick up the messages. So hyphen topic and then the topic name. The topic name is topic hyphen example XYZ, and then the regular one. Um, I'm going to have another flag called from beginning. So it will bring all the messages from the beginning. So remember I posted four messages there. And so hyphen bootstrap server localhost colon 9092, that's a port number. So when you have that, you will get all the messages that is part of the topic example XYZ. Now let me have both producer and the consumer visible to you side by side. I'm posting a new message called posting next message. Look out uh, in the uh, in the consumer. I'm getting the new message. So I'm posting a new message. New next sample. It's available there in the consumer side. So end message. It's available in message. So this is how you can create a topic, list the topic, write a message into the topic, and then read the message from a topic. So here, consumer is nothing but the reading the topic. This is what we have learned in today's session. So these are the commands, very basic commands. In next section, I will bring up additional commands that you can learn using CLI. Thank you very much. I hope this video helpful to you. Let's see more comments in the next successive session.